Hi guys, welcome to another Divi theme video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, we've got some pretty exciting news for you today. We recently built a website using ChatGPT and the Divi theme. Well, Divi Supreme Modules has gone one step further. They've actually got a little plugin here that integrates ChatGPT with your Divi theme. And I've just checked it out. It's absolutely amazing. Now, if you're already a Supreme Pro user, you get this for free. I had an email this morning saying that they just brought it out. If you're not, it's $29 a year. So I'll put this link below the video. And you can go ahead and hit the Get Supreme AI Writer. And if you've got the free coupon, you can apply it right there in the coupon field, and it's absolutely free. That's what I got it for today. And like I say, I'll put the URL down below where you can get it. So once you've got it, go ahead and download it. Once you've got it downloaded, we can go back to our site, and you can put it on as many sites as you want to. That's included with the license. So we'll go down to plugins. I'm going to say add new. I'm going to upload the plugin I just downloaded. And hit the install now. I'm going to go ahead and activate the plugin. It's very lightweight. And if we look down at our menu here, we've now got Supreme AI Writer there. Let's just click on it. And you've got to hook it up with ChatGPT by getting a secret API key. To do that, just click on the link here. If you've not got an account with OpenAI, go over to openai.com and create one. It's absolutely free, but you will need one. So click on the link there. It'll take you straight to OpenAI and your API key page. Then you can create a new secret key. Call it what you want. Hit create secret key. Copy your secret key with a little icon just there to copy it. Then we can go back to our site, pop the little key in there. Now you can choose to use OpenAI model 3.5 Turbo or GPT-4. I'm going to leave mine on 3.5, but experiment. I'm going to save the settings. And let's try it out. I'm going to go to a page here and enable the Visual Builder. Once enabled, let's go down and let's build something quickly. I'm going to hit the little blue button to add a new section. I'm going to use a regular section. Let's put a single row in, single column. And let's just use perhaps a call to action module. Okay, and now it pops up. The first thing I've noticed, it's got a little AI button down here, the purple one, as we've installed that plugin. Let's say why use AI in 2023. Button, let's say learn more. Okay, and let's click on this little purple button and see what happens. Okay, and we've got tone. You can have the tone, authoritative, clinical, cold, confident, cynical, emotional, empathetic, formal, friendly, humorous, etc. Plenty of them. I will leave mine on the default. The writing style itself, academic, analytical, argumentative, conversational, creative, critical, descriptive, etc. Again, I'm going to leave mine on the default. Minimum amount of words, well, let's try 100. Temperature, I'm not sure what that is. A little question mark right here. It says the lower the temperature, the more it sticks to a given prompt. So this is where we give it the question. Let's do that while we're here. Why use AI in 2023? So if I take that all the way down to the left, it's going to completely stick to that topic. If I take it all the way up to the right, it'll let it stray a little bit away from that complete topic there. Great, well, I'll leave it just where it is, and let's see what's going to happen. I'm going to hit the generate button. And here it is. Read what it's put there. And when you're happy, you can use it, or you can hit the regenerate button if you're not happy. When you are, hit the use. Here you can go in there, you can separate it into paragraphs if you want to, or lists if it's listed it. And that is pretty cool. Out of interest, let's see how it does with the blog post. Module. I'll use exactly the same thing again. I won't give it a title this time. Let's just go straight to the AI. Okay, this time let's say friendly. And the writing style, let's say, well, descriptive. That would be good. Maximum words. Let's say 1200. Temperature I'll leave as it is. And let's say write 1200 per blog post about using AI from web design. Let's tell it to use Divi theme as an example. See how it does with that. I'm going to hit the generate. And there it is, it's popped up. Have a little read through it. If it's what you want, great. If not, you regenerate it. I'm going to go ahead and hit the use. And that is absolutely amazing. Of course, you could go in there and just split it up into your little paragraphs. I've got a couple of bullet lists here. Yeah, that's pretty impressive and quite a game changer. And of course, you can use it for titles. You can use it for creating an About Us section. Just put in what you want it to be about. That is an amazing addition to the Divi Supreme suite of modules. So there you have it, guys. There's how to create content with the new Divi Supreme AI writer here. I'll put this link below the video for anybody who wants to check it out. It's a fantastic addition, it really is. And don't forget, if you already have Divi Supreme Pro, you get this for free with the coupon. So I hope you've enjoyed this and found it useful today. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, ring the bell, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie with System 22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.